Hi everyone, I'm Chinmay,
My name's Paul.
My name is Shoria.
and we created Sentinel Aid. Currently, disaster response faces many challenges like hard to access regions due to disasters such as floods, slow response times, and inefficient resource supply allocation. We created Sentinel Aid to tackle these with drone tech and AI-driven analysis, focusing on Save Our Soul deployment, disaster analysis, and community-based aid distribution to speed up response times, enhance awareness, and optimize resource allocation.
So the first feature we will be discussing is the SOS feature. As Chime previously mentioned, the current infrastructure that we rely on is not efficient or effective enough in emergency responses. Drones, on the other hand, offer a highly viable alternative, making them especially useful in dire situations where time is critical. When you first click the button, you are taken to a page where you are told to fill out your basic information, such as your name, your phone number, and the emergency details. We use the geolocation API to collect the coordinates of the user's location. Then we are greeted with a review of all of our information, and we see a screen showing that a drone has successfully dispatched with an ETA, drone identification, and its capabilities. We also see a live map powered by React Leaflet and OpenStreetMap that displays the drone's journey in real time. The system implements an animation framework that continuously updates the drone's position, recalculates the ETA, and refreshes the map view. We will get back to this later.
The Analyze feature helps assess disaster damage when first responders can't reach affected areas. The drones collect footage, which is uploaded and processed by our backend. We use Fast API to send footage to OpenAI's API, which extracts details like infrastructure damage and severity, returning a JSON object. The front end then breaks down footage frame by frame, showing severity, health hazards, and rescue needs per frame. A pie chart summarizes overall severity, a histogram tracks severity counts, and a list of affected infrastructure types is displayed. This speeds up response efforts and ensures urgent areas get help quickly.
The A.I.d feature focuses solely on the distribution of supplies to those in need. It is community-driven, allowing people and relief providers everywhere to offer valuable supplies to those in need. The map and its drawings are built with React Leaflet. The green marks indicate where supplies are available, and the red marks indicate where supplies were requested, with the lines being the quickest path of the drones picking up or dropping off supplies. With these two buttons, you can submit a form to either request or supply aid, allowing a marker to show up on the map and on the board. Under the map, you can then view the board of available aid and the requested aid, which allows you to more clearly see what aid and need is available. This board is updated in real time to allow swift action.
Now let's address some potential problems our solution may encounter. One issue is the lack of revenue streams, which makes the drone fleet a very expensive endeavor. But a potential solution would be to rent the idle drones for package delivery services. A second issue is that the legal issues that could entail from inaccurate analysis readings, leading to lawsuits and backlash for recording and surveillance purposes, which would lead to general distrust.
Another logistic issue is that mass charging and maintenance stations would need to be built quickly to service drones to keep them active. Further implementations would focus on solving these current problems, but there are other ways that Sentinel could be improved. The Analyze feature could be developed further to create generalized plans on what kind and how many specific forms of aid are needed, as well as figure out the estimated cost of rebuilding. The infrastructure could be used in other areas of government, like typical 911 calls or alerts to citizens in the surrounding areas. Finally, as drone technology develops, more features could be added to allow more physical services to be provided. Going back to the SOS page, we see the drone has arrived, marking the end of assistance, leaving the user the option to return to the homepage.
To conclude, Sentinel Aid improves disaster response by enhancing accessibility through deployment of drones in hard-to-reach regions, speeding up hazard analysis with AI, and streamlining resource distribution through community-based efforts. Overall, Sentinel Aid ensures emergency management runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you.